Welcome to AfriQ Funnels. This is more than just another YouTube channel. This is a movement for entrepreneurs, creators, agencies, e-commerce brands, startups, marketers, and business owners who are tired of struggling with outdated systems, slow growth, poor follow-up, low conversions, and confusing technology. We are entering a new era of business. An era where businesses no longer survive by working harder alone, but by building smarter systems, automations, funnels, AI workflows, CRM infrastructures, and customer experiences that work 24/7. Across Africa and beyond, thousands of talented business owners are losing customers every single day, not because their products are bad, but because their systems are broken. Slow replies, no follow-up, no lead management, no automation, no customer journey, no structure.
And while some businesses sleep, modern automated businesses continue generating leads, closing sales, nurturing customers, and growing consistently. That gap is exactly why AfriQ Funnels was created. This channel exists to help business owners understand and implement the tools, funnels, automations, AI systems, WhatsApp technologies, CRM workflows, and growth infrastructures shaping the future of digital business. No fake guru hype, no unrealistic promises, no unnecessary complications. Just practical systems, honest reviews, real implementations, smart automations, and powerful business strategies that actually work in the real world. Here, we will test tools, build funnels, automate businesses, review platforms, break down complex systems, and help entrepreneurs turn chaos into structure. Whether you are building your first online business, scaling your agency, growing your e-commerce brand, creating digital products, or simply trying to understand how modern businesses operate, you are in the right place. AfriQ Funnels is for people who want to build businesses that work intelligently, businesses that respond faster, convert better, operate smoother, and grow consistently. This is not just about software. It's about helping African businesses and global entrepreneurs confidently compete confidently in the modern.
This is not just about software. It's about helping African businesses and global entrepreneurs compete confidently in the modern digital economy, using systems powerful enough to scale their vision. The future belongs to businesses that automate. The future belongs to businesses that adapt. The future belongs to businesses that build systems. And this channel will help you get there. Welcome to AfriQ Funnels. Subscribe now, and let's build the future of business together.